Hey, 10 jaw-dropping facts community. Today's topic is 10 reasons why people absolutely love MagnaCut. Let's jump right into it. Number 10. Unmatched cutting precision. One of the primary reasons people love MagnaCut is its unmatched cutting precision. The sharp and durable blades ensure clean and accurate cuts, allowing users to achieve professional-level results with ease. Number 9. Versatility for various materials. MagnaCut is a versatile cutting tool that excels in cutting various materials. Whether it's paper, cardboard, fabric, leather, or even thin metal, MagnaCut provides exceptional performance and precision across the board. Number 8. Ergonomic Design. MagnaCut's ergonomic design makes it a pleasure to use. The comfortable handle and balanced weight distribution reduce hand fatigue and provide a secure grip, allowing users to work for extended periods without discomfort. Number 7. Durability and longevity. MagnaCut is built to last. With high-quality materials and expert craftsmanship, it offers exceptional durability and longevity. Users can rely on MagnaCut for their cutting needs, knowing it will withstand the test of time. Number 6. Safety features. Safety is paramount with MagnaCut. The tool is equipped with features such as blade guards, locking mechanisms, and retractable blades, ensuring users can work with confidence and minimize the risk of accidents. Number 5. Time-saving efficiency. MagnaCut's efficiency saves users valuable time. The sharp blades and effortless cutting action enable swift and precise cuts, enhancing productivity and streamlining projects for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 4. Portable and convenient. MagnaCut's portable and compact design makes it convenient to carry and use anywhere. It easily fits into toolkits, craft bags, or pockets, allowing users to have this cutting powerhouse at their disposal whenever they need it. Number 3. Easy maintenance. Maintaining MagnaCut is a breeze. The tool is designed for easy blade replacement and cleaning. With simple maintenance routines, users can keep their MagnaCut in optimal condition for years of reliable performance. Number 2. Positive user experiences. MagnaCut has garnered a loyal following, with users raving about their positive experiences. Testimonials highlight the tool's exceptional cutting ability, durability, and overall satisfaction, making it a go-to choice for cutting enthusiasts. Number 1. Endless creative possibilities. Last, but certainly not least, MagnaCut unlocks endless creative possibilities. From crafting and scrapbooking to woodworking and DIY projects, MagnaCut empowers users to bring their ideas to life with precision and finesse. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 reasons why people love MagnaCut, the ultimate cutting tool. Whether you're a professional, hobbyist, or DIY enthusiast, MagnaCut's precision and versatility will elevate your cutting experience. Thank you for watching, and may your creative endeavors be filled with flawless cuts and stunning creations. Please comment below what is your favorite MagnaCut tool and why. Do not forget to subscribe to the Top 10 Jaw-Dropping Facts channel. And new episodes release every Monday through Friday.